Hello friends, this is a second part. In this demo, we are going to cover the basic package.json. So first, we are going to install Node.js server. Then we will go through the each go through the process how we can create our first project and what is a package.json. So and what are the NPM CLI command line interface. So basically, in this uh, demo you will learn about the various how we can set up our first project and how we can manage the package.json file. It's the most important file. So let's quickly jump up into the command prompt and see what are the options available in npm. So node.js, so for running the npm node package manager tool, first we will require to install the node server. So for that we need to install the binaries. I have already installed. You can just click this link and download the binaries and execute it. There are a series of steps. Install the default, and once it is done you are able to run some of the commands for that a part of our in this demo. So I have opened the command prompt. Let's check the version of the node hyphen b. It's currently version 6.9.5. So let me again next is check the npm version, node package manager version hyphen b. So it's 4.2. So I think I have installed the latest version. Let's check the npm CLI. So just enter npm. So it will display the series of command line interface commands that we are going to learn in upcoming uh, sections. So suppose I need to know how we can install the project. So I need some information. So npm and specify the command name as mentioned here. So let's npm install. Suppose I want to install some dependency. So I need a help. What I can do, press enter. So it will show me the series of steps, what the install and what are its parameters. So there is another option. You can press npm minus l or hyphen l to get the series of information. I mean all the information in the list. So let me let me quickly create a first project. Let's say my first project. So quickly going into the my folder, and now so first of all we need to enter the npm command npm and specify the init. So hyphen v, it will generate the default json file, project.json file. So I have already installed the visual code, so you can just specify the code hyphen space dot. It will open the current project in a Visual Studio Code. It's a very popular editor, so it has some great features and it is built on the top of uh, Electron, which is open source of GitHub open source project. It allow to you can the same version can install on either Mac and Windows. So this is the power of Electron. It's also the JavaScript engine. So I'm not going to discuss about the electron. So this is the basic uh, out of the box. If you don't specify any parameters, so the file is generated like this. So this is the name of the version, the name of the project, version description, and the starting page, and the script is contained the script that is going to execute test. You can specify here test if you install the Mocha in your project. So we will discuss in later section. And this keyword author and license. So let me switch command prompt and create so delete this file and create my own. So quickly I'm going to delete Package.json file. So now NPM in it, this time without any parameter. So it will ask me the project name. If MySpace project will not take, because it's the name should be a URL friendly. So let's say my project and version, default description. This is my first project on NPM, and the entry point make it default and test. If you have any test command to specify, leave it. Get repository if you have any repository where you can. What's basically version control if you have. Let for the timing let me put the simple URL and the keywords. My project, first project, and this keyword is helpful when you publish your project in NPM library. So then it will be available for all the users. So globally available. So for those keywords are required to search. If somebody else enter any mm, repository name, so it will able to see. For example, every JSON file. Suppose I need a web server. So there are a series of web server, Elastic, WebSocket. So these so it will search on the basis of these keywords. Okay, author, so license, leave it will show me the all the above entries I did at the top. Let's press yes, and now quickly open the same in my code editor, Visual Studio Code. So this is the command. Let me quickly create one index.js file and write console.log, one line, hello. Save it and move into command prompt and run npm node index.json. It will display the hello world. So that's it for this section. So this is second part. So we will cover the upcoming demo. We will cover the, let me check, yeah. So we will cover the how we can install and uninstall the dependencies. So how we can install the global dependency we will cover into the next chapter. Thank you.